Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. This is your teacher Ms. Fatma Aslam from class Nursery. Today in English written our topic is match the same sound. As you can see here I have two worksheets and both the worksheets are same. Now look towards the worksheet which is on left hand side very carefully. Okay students, here we have some sounds and we have to look on the first column and then we have to look on the second column and then we have to match the sound which is in first column and also in second column. Like here I have set an example for you. I have joined k with k. Yes, you have to match the similar sounds together. Okay students, एक जैसे sounds को हमें join करना है, match करना है. Now moving towards the second sound, and the second sound is f. Now search for the sound f in the second column and then join it. After f, in first column we have t. Now search for t in second column and then join it. After t, in first column we have big k. We call k big k. Now search for the big k in second column and join it. After k, we have p in first column and then search for the p in second column and then join p to p. After p, we have in first column. Then we will search in second column and then we will join them together. After we have o in first column. Now we will search o on second column and then we will join it. After o, we have a sound m, and then we will search the same sound m on the second column and then we will join them together. After the last sound is b. Yes, the last sound is b. Now we will search for b in second column. The only sound left in second column is b. Now we will join b to b. Okay students, I hope that you have got my lecture and understand it very well. Hope this will help you in doing your homework. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.